video, guys, I'm going to show you one of the tools I bought to help me with video production the upcoming year. I just bought a drone, guys, in case you haven't noticed, and drone shots are pretty cool. This one is not as good as the newer ones. I really wanted a Skydio too, but those are too expensive. But this one, it's got these automated shots, and you can go in here, draw a box around what I want it to circle, hit start, put the remote somewhere, and then I think this is going to improve my video on some of these rides that I do, because I go into some really amazing areas. I think one of the problems is as it gets closer, it's going to go towards me. I don't think this thing realizes how close it's flying towards me. That's I think that's a problem with that. It's supposed to go a little bit further, but I paid, I think it was like $350 for this. It's the DJI Mini 2, so it doesn't have all the automation, but you can see it goes up really high. I'm not really looking into making things go really high. I really just want to get some cool shots, and I will try and get a Skydio too. For example, I can put this here, just aim it in the section of the road that I want, like that, and then I'll go into video, and I'm in a parking lot. It's pretty empty, so I'm going to hit record. I think I have to carry that thing. Okay, I'm trying to get some shots while moving, but I think that's kind of like a neat idea of using a drone as a tripod. I did that for mountain biking, and I think that works really well. Where is this? Oh, there we go. There's. I do worry because it is expensive. There we go. It should be having me in the shot right now. Hey, drone. So I'm going to land because I have to change the battery, and it's extremely windy today. It's a really cool little toy, but it's very expensive. I have a new battery in there, and this is what happens. Like, you set the app up, download the app, and that's how you see out of the gimbal, and we're on. This way, arms it, you can raise it, there we go. And now I want to position it somewhere. I think I'm going to position it right over here, and I'm going to look towards the bike, maybe bring it down a bit more, and now I'm going to hit record, put the remote in here. The ones that have the auto follow feature, they will actually kind of follow you around, and I thought about getting that, but the Skydio 2 Plus, that's the one you really want. Here we go. Here's the really cool. When nobody's around, and I thought, okay, today is absolutely freezing. Let's see if, here's another big thing. I put it in there, and it was actually moving the controls. So, bad idea. Hit record. This time I'm going to position this in a different way, like that. Bought the drone just to get good looking footage, but I didn't want to spend too much money on a very expensive drone because I know nothing about drones. I built my own drone a while ago, and that didn't turn out that well. And there is a hack for the DJI Mini 2 where you can get it to follow you just a little bit, but the problem is it's using one of the quick shots, and you're basically just getting it to go around you, and you're kind of messing it up as you're going around, which I don't like. I'm gonna get the controller, and I'm gonna bring it to me. I already kind of know how to fly it, but there you go. There we go. Let's get another cool shot. I have 77% battery. By the way, it gets 20 minutes tops, especially in this cold, sub-freezing. and it's extremely windy. If you look at the drone, it's kind of wobbling around, it's compensating, but it's extremely steady. Also, it's got a gimbal, so the gimbal is really good in keeping the shots nice and steady. And let's say I'm looking at the bike now. I'm going to step away from it, and I'm going to move the drone back, and I'm going to kind of just move it towards the bike. And I am recording, so you see me in the shot, but you can have this in cinematic mode. I'm just going to frame it and then just slowly move. I'm actually moving too fast. I'm going to move it back. So it's a matter of practice. So I got the drone there. I'm going to aim it down, and now I'm just going to move it slowly towards the SD while it's running and slow it down. Now I'm just hovering around it. I'm going to do one of the quick shots really quick. Quick shots, circle, start, and I'm going to go down, and there's the bike. Oh yeah, a wheel. Let's see, draw a box. Okay. I know that the DJI Mini 2 is probably like at the lower end of most people's budgets. You know, it's $300, $400. I bought mine for $350 with 3 batteries, and it came with a 2-year warranty. The Skydio 2, from my research, that's the one that will follow you. Let's get some cool shots here. Started to get a shot here. Oh, one of my little things fell off. Yeah, here's another pet peeve already. I wish that these little things, it was collapsible so you wouldn't have to unscrew these. Because here we go. I'm going to hit record. I always like to record everything. We're going to fly to the water, turn to the left. Let's go back really fast. Here comes the drone, really slow. So for example, you're out in West Virginia in a beautiful spot. You get the drone out, you're taking a little bit of a rest, you get some cool shots flying around, and then you have it as B-roll when you are editing this. So I think for a lot of riders, this potentially could be like a really great idea. Now, I don't have a lot of experience, and by the way, there is this rule that you have to keep within sight of the drone. I'm not really sure how far it'll go. Actually, it's kind of going down. I don't know why it's... I really enjoy it. Like, it's cool, and the prices of these things have gone down so much that everybody probably can get these, and it folds up really tiny. I just never thought I'd be using one of these. It seems like everybody gets these, and then it becomes like what happens to GoPros. You know, everybody's got a GoPro. Everybody thinks they're going to go out and do some extreme sports. Well, that's pretty much it, guys, for the drone of today. I'm going to be doing more videos on using drones in the future, so stay tuned for that. It'll be kind of interesting getting different shots. I really think this improves a lot of people's photographies, including mine, and I'm a noob. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.